Okay, so I've got my bearing all re-greased and I got the cap pressed back in. Just press it back in by finger. It's very easy to put back together. Wipe it all down, and then what I did is I took a little bit of brake clean and I cleaned the surface of this shaft, and also I put a little brake clean on a rag and I just wiped down a clean rag and I wiped down the inside of this race. We want that to be nice and dry with no grease on it, and we want this to be dry with no grease on it. Mainly because when we put this together, we want that race to be nice, tight, dry on that shaft. That's that's why we put these little dimples in there, because we don't want that to ever spin on there. And so that's one thing you want to do. You want to make sure that's nice and dry, no grease. So take a little brake clean, because brake clean evaporates really quick, and you can wipe it with a clean cloth. You can see how the surface is kind of like dry there. Now, it may be a little bit of a bitch to slide it on there, especially with those new little dimples in there and being dry. But the thing is once it's on there, it's gonna hold to it nice, and the bearing's gonna turn instead of the race ever spinning.